Naghahanap po ba kayo ng house and lot dito sa Laguna na may monthly amortization of 8,000 pesos to 15,000 pesos only? Pinadali na po namin ang proseso para sa inyo. May curated list na kami ng mga magagandang properties na swak sa budget, quality, at location. Kung ang hinahanap nyo naman po ay 7,000 pababa, ay meron po kami hiwalay na video para doon. Hingiin na lamang ang link sa aming mga sellers para mapanood dito. Bakit nga maganda mag-invest sa Laguna? Narito po ang ilang dahilan. Una, prime location. Napakalapit po sa Metro Manila. Salamat sa SLEX, CALAX, at iba pang main highways. Pangalawa, perfect balance of city and the province life. Malapit po kayo sa mga malls, schools, at hospitals. Pero, presko at tahimik pa rin ang paligid. Pangatlo, booming developments. Patuloy pong umuunlad ang Laguna na nagdadala ng maraming negosyo, trabaho, at modernong pasilidad. Pang-apat, solid investments from Linville.
The first one is Zarina Premium, with a lot area of 80 square meters and floor area of 50.2 square meters, with a price of 2,310,000 pesos, with a reservation fee of 6,000 pesos, and estimated monthly amortization of 12,314 pesos in 30 years. The next one is Sophia Deluxe Duplex, the lot area of 80 square meters and floor area of 42 square meters, with a price of 1,870,000 pesos, the reservation fee of 6,000 pesos, and the estimated monthly amortization is 9,759 pesos in 30 years.
After that is St. Joseph's Freakfield in La Huerta, Calamba, Laguna, with a lot area of 65 square meters, floor area of 42 square meters, and the price is 2,319,177 pesos, with a reservation fee of 10,000 pesos, and the estimated monthly amortization is 11,611 pesos in 30 years. And then, the Whistler Village in Cabuyao, Laguna, with a lot area of 65 square meters, floor area of 45.5 square meters. The price is 2,491,630 pesos, with a reservation fee of 7,500 pesos, and the estimated monthly amortization is 12,051 pesos in 30 years. Also, in Whistler Village, we have the lot area of 63 square meters and the floor area of 55 square meters. The price is 2,494,395 pesos, and the reservation fee is 7,500 pesos, and the estimated monthly amortization is 12,243 pesos in 30 years. Lastly is Astor Model Single Attached, with a lot area of 75 square meters, floor area of 42.3 square meters. The price is 3 million pesos, the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos, and the estimated monthly amortization is 14,869 pesos in 30 years. Tumataas po ang value ng lupa rito, kaya siguradong may return ang inyong puhunan sa paglilipas ng panahon. Para sa ibang tanong or concerns, handa po ang aming team na gabayan kayo mula umpisa hanggang ma-turn over ang inyong bagong bahay. Huwag na maghintay, simulan na natin ang bagong chapter ng inyong buhay dito sa Laguna.